you have not only be able to become Leonardo or an artist or an engineer, you have to sell your ideas. So here it is an example from Leonardo da Vinci. Before this drawing, Leonardo drew this other part of the picture, this paper here. So in this paper, that is attached to the other paper, Leonardo drew the same machine, but it's not his machine. This is a medieval machine. So Leonardo make a comparison, his machine against the old one. And he just to show that his machine was better than the old one. It's like a comparison like Pepsi against Coca-Cola. So Leonardo invented the comparison of marketing, and he was able to sell his ideas to the Duke. But Leonardo has a lot of hundreds of secrets and tricks to create beautiful drawings, to be able to do machinery, to create devices, to create gold coins, weapons. All these ideas that came from Leonardo just came from the search, from inspiration, from the nature, from the observation, and most important, the history. So Leonardo studied a lot of history. And if you look here, there are just giant, beautiful pages of Leonardo da Vinci, machines, incredible design. Look at this beautiful picture. This is very famous. It's a giant bombs. But Leonardo copied and studied from Francesco di Giorgio, from Taccola, from other ancient and medieval people. Look at this beautiful, incredible object. So Leonardo get these books like we get information from Wikipedia. He get the books, a little book like this. He studied a lot of machine, and a lot of these machines were copied by Leonardo in his documents. But while he was copying, he make it much more beautiful. That's why it is important to become an artist too, because if you have to sell your idea, you must be good also to present the idea to the people. You must be good also to show to the people, to have a good presentation. I show you something very important. Here, page 69 of the Codex Atlanticus, you find this beautiful drawing of the famous military bridge of Leonardo. This is the model. So Leonardo created this model. This is a military bridge, but was an idea of Leonardo? No. Leonardo get this idea from Francesco di Giorgio, from Taccola, and he studied and he sold to the Duke like a military bridge. So Leonardo was studying ancient and past to create something new and to sell to the people. This is very important. So if you want to create something, you have to study history, not only just study computer stuff or go to internet. You have to study history. History is the most important part.